Hi, Khalid. Hope everything is well with you. You have mentioned that there's an update on hiding the lunch menu after hours. Please advise our lunch hours are 11:30 to 3 p.m. weekly, Monday, Wednesday to Friday. Thank you. Okay, yes, so you are correct. The new update that we have available now allows you to set custom hours for your lunch. So let me show you what I mean by that. So here's the order online page. I'm clicking on it now. As you can see, there's several categories here on the left-hand side. And here's one we have called lunch special, right? Lunch special, 11:30 to 3 p.m. So right now, when we try to order the lunch special, what's happening is that it allows me to do that because it's 11:30 to 3. Right now, it's before lunch hours. See, for example, here we have lunch hours are Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 11:30 to 3 p.m. Right? Okay, so Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So right now, with the custom hours, what happens is that if somebody tries to order lunch at 11:29, it won't allow them to order it. If they try to order at 3:01 p.m., it won't allow them to order it. So they can only order it between these hours here. Okay. So we want to do with the custom hour setting, that's the latest feature, is to only allow for these hours and these days. Okay. So based on the email you sent me, it looks like you are doing it on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm not sure if two Friday means Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but I'm gonna assume that this means Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let me show you how to do that. On the back end, you'll see a new feature. Let me just move this a little bit to the right. It's called custom hours. Okay, so you press Clover orders, settings, and then custom hours. And then under custom hours, you'll notice that there's two options here: custom hours for categories, custom hours for order types. So the one we're working on here is for categories. Okay, so here's how we do it. We go to custom hour for categories and then we add it. And based on this email, it says 11:30 to 3 p.m. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So I'm gonna click on Tuesday closed, Thursday closed, Saturday, Sunday closed. Okay. So in other words, what this means is on Tuesday, they can't order lunch. On Thursday, they can't order lunch. On Saturday, they can't order lunch. On Sunday, they can't order lunch. But they can order lunch on Monday at 11:30 to 3 p.m. They can order lunch on Wednesday, 11:30 to 3 p.m. They can order lunch on Friday, 11:30 to 3 p.m. Okay, so here's our lunch hours. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and press save. I'm gonna press add. Make sure I did that correct. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then of course on Saturday, Sunday, lunch is closed. Okay, so again, let me just kind of mention what I just did here. What I did was I told the custom hours feature that lunch can only be ordered between these hours and on these days, right? So as you can see right here, I had selected all those following times. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it a name, lunch hours. Make sure to give it a name so that way you can press add. Okay, very good. I'm gonna say close. Now I have to apply these lunch hours to this category here. Okay, so how do I do that? I press categories and items and then wait for it to load. Once it loads, find the lunch category right here. Press this button here. And then I'm going to choose my lunch hours right there. Save. Okay. So again, another new feature with this update, it allows you to add description to the category. So what I did for you was I copied the email you sent me based on your lunch hours, and I told it that your lunch hours are available for this day. So in other words, let me refresh the page. I'm going to refresh the page now. Because right now it's before 11:30 a.m., it should not allow me to order the lunch hours. So let me go here now. Okay, see how it says not available yet? See, not available yet, not available yet, not available yet. They can see the lunch menu, but they can't order it because it can only order between these hours. So once it becomes 11:31 a.m. or 11:30 a.m., they can start ordering it, okay? Right now they can't. The reason why I added this text is that when customers come here and they can't order it, they're gonna wonder why they can't order it. So here's their answer. Available on the following days and hours: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 11:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. This way they know that, hey, it's getting close to lunch. Let me wait another 20 minutes, or today is Tuesday and that's why I can't order. They'll have a reason of understanding why they can't order. So that's how you do that. So you basically write a special description or a text to let them know when they can order that. Let me show you once more on the back end here. What's that? So let's say you wanted to apply the lunch hours to a different category. Let's say you wanted to apply lunch hours to the party tray menu. It's very easy to do. You just go here, turn this on, and then choose your lunch hours. Again, the more custom hours you add, you'll have more options here to choose from. So you can add party tray hours and then choose it from here. Okay, that's how you do that. But since we're not going to do custom hours for this, we're going to turn that off. The reason why I'm not doing custom hours for tray menu is because tray menu is available anytime during the business hours. It's not specific to lunch. So let's say you have dinner hours, you can add your dinner hours. One thing I recommend is that when you do your custom hours, do what I did. Add a description to the custom hours like I did here, right? So let's say, let me give you an example. Let's say drinks are only available on Fridays. Just mention here, available only on Fridays at 5 to. Okay, this is why, this is one of the reasons why we added the description to the custom hours, to the categories, so you can let your customers know when this is available for. And then when you go here, you create a custom hours for Fridays at 6 p.m. and then you click this on, and then you choose that custom hours for the drinks, okay? Because what we're trying to tell the system is that drinks has a different custom hours as opposed to the lunch hours. They're different. We don't want to choose lunch hours here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that because I'm just showing you an example. But as you can see from what I did, we have the lunch hours, 11:30 to 3 p.m. And once it's past 3 p.m., it won't, people can't order, but they can order between these hours. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you. I'm going to leave this section open for you for the custom hours because based on the email that you sent, I'm not sure if this means Wednesday to Friday, meaning Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, or Wednesday and Friday. But if you are offering lunch on Thursday, just come to this section here, press edit, okay, and then uncheck this box, and then do this 11:30. 11:30 to 3 p.m. Okay, I'll have the hours ready for you, but in case I misread your email and your email meant to say that lunch is also served on Thursdays too, because this word is can mean Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, or it's just Wednesday and Friday. So if you're also serving lunch on Thursdays, come over here, uncheck this box, and then press save. Okay. If you're not serving lunch on Thursdays, just leave it the way it is. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your time. If you have more questions, we have lots of other YouTube videos. You click on right here, video tutorials, and you can see other videos I made on the different features. Or you can click on feedback and help, and then click on this right here. This is really nice because it gives you documentation of all the different things you can do. Okay. And if you don't see custom hours on here, means that you have the older version of the plugin. So you would click on plugins, install plugins, and then you would check which version you have. The custom hours is on this version. So if you're watching this video at a later date, you may see 1.39, 1.40, but if you're seeing 1.37, 1.36, then you have to update it to get to this level. Okay, you want to be at this version or higher to see the latest feature, which is custom hours. Okay. All right. I'll try to keep the video under 10 minutes. Thank you so much. Have a great day.